folks, Falcha Gu, Partner Shanta Loch Maragan Essen Troisican. Welcome to Loch Lomond Trossachs National Park. We're back out on a hill walk and just crossing the River Fillen. Just crossing the West Highland line again. Completely different bit from previous videos. You can actually 20-30 metres back there actually cross the actual railway. Stop, look and listen, 2 gates and all that type of thing. There's a handy wee bridge here. Beautiful part of the country. It's Crianlarich, the bridge at Crianlarich, the railway bridge. And that's the River Fillen, the road to Oban. We're going to go up and do a wee couple of hill lochs. Loch Maragan, Loch Essen. I've been up here for about 10 years. Still as beautiful as ever. Just coming up into the woods. We still need to track left here, but I may stop in here in the shade, catch a spot of lunch. Lunch, I say, must be about 2 o'clock. I'm here for 2 nights anyway, so take it easy on the way up. Just stopped back there for a spot of lunch and destroyed by the midges already. Where we're going, Loch Maragan, it's in a bit of a pudding bowl. There's a couple of wee islands on it you can step on to maybe catch a bit of wind. And there's going to be like a fire going up here. Hey ho, we'll see when we get there. Picking our way through the forest now. This kind of looks like it's built a kind of semi-quad track to get them up through here. Helping us a wee bit. Shouldn't be a long 15-20 minutes from about the other side of this. Heading over towards the Lochans. It's out onto the hill proper. So we're going to have to negotiate this deer fence. Which is actually not too bad in its own, but it's a bit of a pain. Spotted this nice climbing frame ladder. Just look at that vista in the background, still a bit of snow and Benmore. Let's get to it. Yeah, Crianlarich gold mine there. Might be Ben Louis up back there, I'm not sure. That's Munros, Ben Craig. Bench of bears in there somewhere, and Castile and Stogbenin, Benmore, the largest in the national park. People talk about the Arachar Alps, mainly because it's cobbler, it's not even a Munro, but I mean it's a beautiful place, but you only really get Ben in that way. You've got Ben, that's more sort of Inveruglis, Ardloe. Up here, out of the 21 Munros in the national parks, LLT and PA National Park, 7 of them are up here in Crianlarich. You can see why. What do you make of them bad boys? The gold mine there. Munros, Ben Craig. Maybe doing those 2 Munros with carrying the Munro bag in a week or 2. Check his channel out, he's dedicated Munro bagger. And there'll be a bit more of the Hill Lochans and the fishes, but like the odd Munro or 2. I don't know how well you can hear me, but it's always good to go to a wee vantage point, try and get a wee read of the Lochan. Depending if you're fishing, for instance, you want to avoid the weed, and if it's really windy, somewhere with a bit of cover, obviously somewhere flat for your tent. If it's really wet and rainy, then somewhere with a bit better cover. I'm liking the look of that wee island out there, and I think we can go on it. I've never been on it before, right enough, but I've been here 3 or 4 times before. It looks like a nice flat back there, and if there's no midges, we can get down out the wind into that wee bay. Well, that's us on top of our chosen island. A wee bit full of babies' heads as they're known, tufts of heather, but fair flat enough. I'll take a wee scout about and declaring this island a COVID-free and monkeypox-free area for 2 days. Yeehaw! Well, we chose this wee spot. It's pretty nice. You just see Benmore sticking up over there to the left. Look at this wee bay and island and Lochan all to herself. It's the way it usually is, right enough. I'm just going to have a great time here. A wee touch of wind coming through behind us, just perfect. It's enough to keep the midges away if they do put in an appearance. Always time for a lager, folks, when you can see a Munro in the background. Right, I'll just show you quickly what's in the bag. It's going to be quick. Still got a few things to do. 2 Alpkit carbon lights for the Lanshan. Bits bag. Cloth. Long sleeve shirt. Catapult for putting out bait. Dog biscuits. Seat. Bottom of my trousers. Bottom of the bag. Woolly bonnet, one of. Lightweight fleece. Mini bungee. Got my lighter. Down jacket. Uniqlo. Love them. Just as good as Rab. Quarter the price. Mango 150 sleeping bag. Uniqlo gilet. Body warmer. Call it what you like. The Lanshan 2. Not going to show you me putting that up because, to be honest, I'm not very good at it. It's a pain in the arse. Bits bag. Amber's bowl. Spare socks. Mini tarp holder. Wee day bag for tomorrow when we head out to the other wee Lochan. Spoon. Fork, knife. Combo. USB rechargeable head torch. AAA Energizer head torch. wee mini cup for my rums. Wee mini monoscope, see what's happening about the place. Pair of goggles in case I go a wild swim. A few candles, some citronella oil, spare lighter, fire steel, tiny pump for the blow up mats, some effervescent lemon and lime for my rum, adapter for the gas can. Normally I take 70 30, 70 butane, 30 propane, but I've got 100% butane, it's cheaper. Need an adapter. And a wee stove. There's some other bits and pieces in Pamela's bag, trowel, toilet roll, the usual. Oh, my mobile dart set. Me and Pamela got a game of darts. This is a couple of targets. They'll go on the hillside. We've got a wee game of darts. Wail the night away. That's it. He's in. Fish on. Pamela, do me a favour and bring over the line in that pile. It's my wee hook disgorgers. First Maragan small brownie. Beautiful wee thing, look at that. Look at the colours and that. Let's get him back. On you go, babe. On you go. And away she goes. And just give you a quick swing around the campsite and where we're at so far. Midges have put an appearance in now that the wind's died. We've got designer midgie nets on. I've got a rod out there. Lanshan's up there. Not sure that's the best rendition of a Lanshan ever, but that'll do for tonight, tomorrow night. Pamela's snugged out. We got a chill out zone here. That gives a wee bit of protection for the sun in the morning. And also a wee canary just to keep all your bits and pieces. That's my kitchen area down there. And my tech rock.
as I float in a golden pool, and the only plan or care for tomorrow is to find another place to swim. Find another place to swim. Find another place to soak her skin. A toast to the pools and Thames. Tully belt and feeding no gas. Fill my hall with the salty hooker's cry.
This was at the mouth of the Maragan. Interesting big rock there with a circle in the middle. No idea what that was for. It looks like they've made some type of wee cobbled road over it at some point. Anyway, onwards and downwards. This hillside's just chock full of blaeberries. They'll not be ready till August. Pamela going for a Manfredo shot. Made it. A bit of more modern engineering. That's us just approaching the bridge over the River Fillin again. A beautiful river. There were just 2 minutes for the car. If you liked this wee video, please hit the like button, subscribe and notifications, and I'll catch you on the next one.